Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
And we're back with another one. It's ZOTHEBARBER561, and today we're gonna switch it up a little bit. Today I want you guys to know how I deal with my kid clients and how I keep them comfortable and at peace in the chair. And today we're gonna be using FatMan as a model. Man, I've been cutting them now for about 2 years now, I'll say, since he had a pacifier in his mouth. So I mean, it's great, man, to see these kids growing up, man, and just maturing and turning into young men. His father, Marquise, man, I've been cutting him as well, man, for about 2 years, man. They're both good people, man. And, hey, man, he allowed me to use his son as a model today, and I appreciate it, man. So we're going to get straight to it. The first thing I do when I'm cutting my kid clients is I make sure that they have something to focus their attention on, whether it be a show on the TV, or if they have a tablet in their hand, make sure they're playing a game that they like. And I just make sure that I put the apron around their neck in a comfortable position, not too tight. A lot of kids, they get irritated by the hair falling around the neck area, so I just try to make sure I keep my duster, or I keep a good clean brush there to just knock any dead hair away that has fallen, just to keep the kid client comfortable. Another thing that I do is I always ask the child just questions about himself, like what's his favorite color, is he having a good day, he or she, just are you having a good day, how you feeling today, what's up, just anything that it takes to break the ice a little bit and make the child trust you. Because when a child trusts you, you'll notice that they'll relax a little bit. So when I have a child in my chair, I try my best to smile as much as I can when they're looking at me, because you'll even notice throughout the cut that they're very inquisitive. Like, they're gonna look you, they're gonna eyeball you, they're gonna look you down, they're gonna stare you down the whole cut. So I mean, you might as well get prepared for it, because they want to know that they're in good hands. I mean, any child will really tell you the truth, man, because they really know how to decipher real love. They can feel when real love is around them. So I try to make sure I keep it as solid as possible, man, with these kids, man. You have to take care of the babies. They're innocent. And that's honestly one of the main reasons I made this video, just to put it out there, because I've had new clients recently that have come from bad experiences in barbershops where the barbers are not patient at all with the kids. They're rough with them. They grab them in an aggressive manner, and they're just not creating a peaceful environment for a child to enjoy getting their hair cut. Yeah, I know some kids, they may do a little too much, but I mean, I try to just let the parents know, and I try to make sure that I'm doing everything in sight of the parent. So I mean, I turn the chair as much as I can throughout the cut to let the parent see the child's facial expressions, to let them know that, hey, you're in good hands when you're in Zoe's chair. So I mean, I love cutting kids clients, man. And when you get a kid to sit still and trust you, man, the cuts, they turn out amazing. And this cut really turned out amazing on this kid, man. And I mean, he's to the point now to where he knows what he's getting. He comes in, he sits in that chair like a young man, and he wants his 10th fade. And he shakes my hand and he's out the door. And this brings me to my last point, which is to keep the child engaged. A lot of barbers may get caught up throughout the cut. They may get just focused on making sure that they give a good quality cut, and they may lose the attention or lose the focus of the child. And sometimes that may aggravate certain children. Like, some kids, they love to hear that, hey man, you only got 5 minutes left, or hey man, you only got 15 minutes left, or hey man, you doing all right, you okay? Kids like to hear, You get what I'm saying? That they're doing a good job or that they're almost done. I know just about 80% of the kids that sit in my chair, the number one question that they ask is, are we almost done? No kid just wants to sit in the chair and just sit there military style, quiet and stiff as a board for about an hour or however long it takes for you to perform your service. I typically like to have my kids out of the chair in no more than about 30 minutes. No matter what the haircut is, I try to make sure I only take 30 minutes on the cut. And I make sure that I keep the kids up to date. I make sure I let them know just as I would an adult. I let them know, hey man, you only got 15 minutes left, or hey man, all I have to do is just fix your edge and line you up on this side and you all done, big man. It's all about the small things that keep the kids comfortable and keep them even asking their parents. I have kids that ask their parents, hey, when we're going back to Zoe? I want to go get my hair cut by Zoe. So it's a great thing, man, when you're involved and when you're giving good quality kid cuts.
Finish him.
And with all of that said and done, I'm gonna stop talking right here at this point so you guys just enjoy the end of this cut. Remember everything that I've said. Again, this was just my personal way of keeping my kid clients comfortable in my chair. But man, enjoy this cut. It's a great cut. Thanks again to my man, FatMan. I thank you, brother. Thank you, man, for allowing me to use you as a model. I definitely feel like this video is gonna get some views. So you guys, hey, go ahead and share your thoughts. Leave a comment. Let me know if this video helped you at all. Let me know if you guys like seeing this type of tutorial. Hey man, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure you click the notification bell. And make sure you stay tuned, man, for the next video, man. I'm getting ready to drop more and more dope content, man. Hey, congratulations are in order again to myself for finishing school. So definitely expect to see more videos coming soon. And go over and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Instagram is at ZOTHEBARBER_561. Have a blessed day, man.